Today we're looking at a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport ES. It's got 40,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's pearl white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything looks like it's in really good shape here. All right, just a few little scuff marks back here on the rear bumper. I just want to point those out to you. But everything else is in really good shape. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything's good here. Once again, it's a 2015. Okay, it's got 40,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, black cloth. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and then right in here in the console, you have your power outlet and a USB port. Passenger seat cloth looks good. No problems over here. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your climate control area there. AM, FM, CD player. Okay. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 40,047 miles on it. Now that we got it turned on, go ahead and show you the radio again. Got this nice carbon fiber trim around here. Alright, and then your climate control area. You can see it a little bit better now it's lit up. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and walk around and open up these doors. Let a little bit more light in there so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Door panels over here look good. Carpet back here is in good shape, no staining. Back seat cloth looks good. No issues back here. Alright, it does have the console that comes down, the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Take a look in the back. Carpet back here is in good shape. Just a little bit peeling right back off the mat right there, but you can't really tell back there. Tuck that in, and it does get a little bit more wear and tear back here with loading and unloading stuff, but the carpet's in good shape. Got your spare tire back here. Back seat passenger side. Just give you another perspective on here, another angle. But the cloth in here is in good shape all the way around. And then you see the front passenger seat. All right, everything's in really good shape on the inside of this Outlander Sport. We've got 18-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport ES, 40,000 miles on it. Things in great condition inside and out. Got a clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.